Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but get ready amazed because this changes everything. This viral item is literally everywhere right now. I was, honestly, a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it performs flawlessly, I was completely sold. It is an absolute lifesaver because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it solves an annoying problem. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade while stocks last. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but get ready amazed because this changes everything. This viral item is literally everywhere right now. I was, honestly, a bit